go. So, wow, look at my bangs, okay? It just won't stay. So, it is very hot. I'm going to try to get through this video quickly because I had to turn off my air because the sound was really bad. I don't like that in the video, so we got to rush. Now, I have here my very, very first NFL DOONEY and BOURKE purchase. And I have a story to go with this box because when I saw it, I put it in my cart, and I didn't buy it because it's an NFL. I didn't even know what the NFL was. Like, I'm not into sports. I'm not a sports person. I bought this piece because I love animal prints. Because I love the Jaguars, all the animal prints that DOONEY does. If I could wear animal prints all day, I would. And I probably do. Most of my decor, my clothing, everything I have is animal print. I just love it. And this item has the cutest Jaguar, or it did on the picture, on it. Now, I put it in my cart as I was checking out. It says NFL Jaguars double zip satchel. And the color says Jaguars. And I got it on a sale. It was $61.75. And so, with that, we are doing my very first NFL DOONEY and BOURKE unboxing that I bought by mistake. It's not an NFL. Oh, you already opened it up? Thank you. Last time I opened the box, my nail went flying. So, I'm going to show you what I got. Now, there are a lot of the sports NFL pieces on there if you enjoy collecting them. I know a lot of my friends here do. But I'm not into the sports stuff, so I didn't buy it because of that. Oh, it's so cute. This was a total mistake, a total surprise. Not as an NFL guy. This is my, oh, they sent the other piece with it. Okay, cool. And of course, no sticker. So I did get a couple of pieces with it to get my free shipping because there was a sale. So this one is just the 2 pieces they sent. There should be another piece coming. They're probably going to send it with the other stuff that I bought. Because I did buy some accessories to go with it. Let me show you my very first animal print DOONEY that I ever bought for myself. I didn't know this was a DOONEY and BOURKE. I bought it at an antique store. I don't even know the name, guys. It is snake green. It has snap right here. It's very cute. It's the cutest little bag. I've never ever used this. Ever. I bought this at a time in my life where I was stressed. I went into this store. I saw it. It's the most expensive piece I own. I paid a lot for this little guy. I didn't know anything about DOONEY at the time, but it is my oldest DOONEY and BOURKE. So I wanted to show you guys because it is animal print. So yeah, I've been doing animal collecting animal prints. I just love them my whole life. So when I saw this, I gotta show you guys. Look how cute this is. So yeah, I was looking and I saw a Jaguar on a DOONEY. And I put it in my cart. I had no idea. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, because I have a lot of DOONEY and BOURKEs here that I'm trying to find the pieces. But I thought the coloring of this is so pretty that it would go with most of my bags. Like right here. I think it'll go with all of them. But there it is, guys. Look. Isn't this the cutest little Jaguar that you've ever seen? Again, it is NFL right here. It says NFL. But it doesn't say it anywhere else. There is no logo. Nothing on it. Just this beautiful caramel color with the black and the Jaguar. That's what got me, guys. My Jaguar. So this is a Jaguar DOONEY and BOURKE for me. It is not an NFL. Now, if you enjoy the NFL collection, by all means, they have a great sale going on right now. I'm not sure when this video will load, but if you do enjoy them, they are on sale. Look at how pretty. Wow. I've had these double, what is it called? Double strip? What, zips? Yeah, there's double zip wristlet. I have like 3 of these. I do enjoy these a lot. So when I saw this, I was like, I need to have it. Look how beautiful. It has 2 beautiful tassels. Of course, the handle inside here. Nowhere on it does it have any other sports, anything. I don't even know what team the Jaguars are for, so if you enjoyed them, if this is your team, I guess Tera is supporting your team. But I didn't know. Like I said, I bought it as the Jaguar itself. Inside is linen. That is beautiful. It has pockets on the back. It has a zipper pocket on this side, on the top zipper compartment. Okay. Over here, another opening. Again, it's linen on the inside. I've never seen these linen on the inside. This is really pretty. It's like a taupe linen. Okay. And that is the piece. Of course, I'm going to cut this off because I have my own that I can clip on and off. But look, nowhere on it does it say NFL. So for me, this is a Jaguar. It's going in my animal collection. It's going to be used as an animal collection. I just love it. Look at this. Love it. I love it so much. And it's so beautiful in person. Even more beautiful than the picture on the website. Let me see over here. Yeah, that was so fun. Such a fun item. I had no idea I was buying an NFL. I am so excited. Yeah, this is how it looks on the, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's under NFL Jaguars double zip wristlet. Again, color says Jaguar. In stock now, and they are on sale for $61.75. So if you want one, guys, don't miss out. I did see another one that I have my eye on. That one actually has a cougar on it. So I'm not sure what team that is for, but I might get that as well. But I'm going to use them as the animal print that they are. So I hope you enjoyed seeing it. My newest and my only NFL product that I bought by mistake as just a Dooney and Bourke item. I'm not going to call it a mistake. It's a nice surprise. It's such a nice surprise. Next, I had to order a couple of pieces. I'll show you these. I am getting myself a nice collection of these lanyards. I have 3 coming. So these were on a great sale. To make that to that point where you can get your free shipping, it's better to get one of these because these came out to like $22, and the shipping on it is like $15 that they charge you. So for $5 more, you get an item. So I always get an item I don't like to pay for the shipping. But this one's a brown Timuro pebble. And so that's going to be another piece for my beautiful collection of items. Look at how cute. I hope you enjoyed my NFL Dooney and Bourke Jaguar. Again, I don't know what team this is. If it's your team, it's beautiful. I love it. I hope you enjoyed spending this time with me. Thank you so much to everyone who's been watching the bag of the month. It is going strong. Thank you. I appreciate all the new subbies I got, all the comments. You guys are amazing. So I do have a lineup already made. I'm going to have to remove one of the videos I already had lined up and put it next month so that I can put this video in because I thought it was too cute to not put it up immediately. So yeah, I do have a whole lineup set for you guys because I'm not here. I'm going to be out and about. We're on vacation. So thank you all for being here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Go Jaguars!